For example, it's often a symbol of protection or a solar symbol. In Germanic tradition, the Solringen is the solar ring. In some depictions, it's a disc, the solar disc, especially in Egyptian art, so it might represent that. Interestingly, on the front of some statues, like those at Monteprama, there's a marked line. This likely shows the helmet's closure system, a leather band meeting on both sides, creating a sewn detail that closes the helmet. Above this, there's a cap, and that's how the helmet ends. There's no neck guard, as it's not seen in the statues. What many think is a neck guard is likely a depiction of hair. Why do I say this? A small bronze statue found in the sacred well of Balao, Fontana Goverta, a place I'm fond of as it's my mother's hometown, has no schematic hair representation. Instead, it has messy marks, as if the craftsman thought, let's add hair, ta-ta-ta, done. It has two lines arranged chaotically, resembling fleece or hair. So, in more schematic, almost geometric representations, it's clear they still aim to depict hair. In fact, they often depict two braids on the side. The helmet straps aren't likely dangling, but rather braids, which held significance in ancient communication. In ancient Greek communities like Sparta, braids symbolized virility, quite the opposite of today's perception. The greaves, though not visible, complete the warrior's armor. Based on reconstruction, practical tests, and fencing with protective helmets, this archer type doesn't seem suited for formation combat. Multiple such archers together don't appear capable of effective coordinated action. Their defensive and offensive gear doesn't suggest they were static archers waiting in line to shoot at enemies from a distance. Instead, except for two heavily armored Sardara archers, most Nuragic archers had armor covering their upper body and legs, allowing for mobility. Compared to Roman-era Syrian archers, the Nuragic ones seem far more agile. Their quiver placement right behind the head and neck likely helped them move through bushes without hindrance. It's worth noting that the Sardara archers, however, show